guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video we're going to explore NUMAISH Nampally exhibition. Not really. I see creators covering NUMAISH crazily and I'm not going to irritate you guys with that same old school content. So let's do a 1000 rupees challenge in NUMAISH. So here I am at NUMAISH with 1000 bucks in my pocket and I'm going to pick entire outfit from dress to footwear and accessories in just rupees 1000. So let's begin. So in NUMAISH, as you know, everything is beautiful and you fit and you get so many good stuff here. So after a lot of digging for almost an hour and a half, we found a place where I can afford a 3-piece set because every single piece I like and pick up completely out of the budget and they are so beautiful. Even the same a piece with different print were quoted high in different shops. So this is basically a crop top, palazzo and shrug set. The shop owner was really sweet to reduce the price of the outfit to fit in my budget, so really thankful for that. So if you're interested, you can go to their store in Ameerpet and check out the collection. So here is their visiting card. So next up, again after a lot of digging, found these beautiful earrings again in my budget. I will mention all the prices in the end of the video, so yeah, wait for it. Then after a lot of digging again, I found few pair of footwear which I loved but were completely out of the budget again. So I decided to go for flats which were really cheap and in my budget. After all that is done, I was left with rupees 50 and I found this amazing bracelet section from where I picked this beautiful kara. So this was basically of 60 rupees, but then I managed to get it for 50 and this whole process was really crazy and fun. So let's go see the final look, shall we? I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.